In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to add location in Facebook. Let's get started. First, launch a Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your profile page. Click on the profile icon given at the top left. Once you're over here, at the top right, you're going to find this pen kind of icon. Click on that. You'll be directed to the edit profile page. Now scrolling down, you're going to find this section of personal details. Under that, you're going to find the option of current location. Click on that. Now, from here, you can easily add a location. All you have to do is search for the city. Once the option appears, click on it. Now you can select the audience. Once you do that, click on done. Click on save. With this, your location will be updated on Facebook profile. If you want to edit the location, you can click on this pencil icon. From here, you can make necessary changes and update it. So that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.